Mga preng, hindi lahat ng rider kamote. Pero tanong ko lang, bakit parang galit na galit ang tao sa mga riders? And before you react mga preng, hindi ko ipagtatanggol ang riders. Hindi rin kita aawayin kung galit ka sa kanila. Kasi ang totoo mga preng, hindi riders ang kinaiinisan ng mga tao. May mas malalim na dahilan. At once na makita mo to, kahit wala kang motor, maiintindihan mo. Mga preng, this is not a rider issue. This is a human behavior issue. So let's be honest mga preng, kapag may nakita kang rider na sumisingit, counterflow, walang helmet, maingay, parang laging galit sa kalsada, hindi ka naiirita kasi rider siya mga preng. Naiirita ka kasi nakikita mo ang ugali na ayaw mong makita sa kahit sinong tao. If that same behavior came from a car driver, a cyclist, or pedestrian, maiirita ka rin. Pero bakit rider ang laging napupuntirya? Kasi mga preng, riders are visible. And visibility creates judgment. Mga preng, here's something most people don't realize. The human brain hates chaos. And motorcycle represent chaos on the road. They move fast, they appear suddenly, they disappear quickly, they break pattern. And when the brain can't predict movement, it labels it as danger. And danger turns into fear. And fear turns into anger. So, no, people are not mad at riders. They are mad at what riders make them feel. Mga preng, another uncomfortable truth. Rider are an easy target. Bakit? Because they are smaller. They don't look powerful. They don't look protected. People rarely shouts at SUVs, rarely confront at buses, and rarely argue with trucks. But a rider, sila ang mga safe target. And preng, here's where it get unfair. For every one reckless rider, there are hundreds of disciplined ones. But the brain doesn't remember the quiet, it remembers the loud. So, 1 kamote equals 1,000 good riders erase. Mga preng, that's not logic. That's psychology. And let me flip this for a second mga preng. If you are not a rider, ask yourself this. Have you ever crossed the street illegally? Use your phone while driving? Park where you shouldn't? Diba? Exactly. The difference is you weren't wearing a helmet when you did it. Mga preng, most riders are quiet. They just want to get home, go to work, feed their families. But silence doesn't go viral. Conflict does. So when you see hate online, comment saying lahat ng riders kamote. That's not wisdom mga preng. That's frustration looking for a face. And a rider just happened to be visible. Mga preng, this video is not asking you to like riders. It's asking you to understand why hate exists. Because once you understand it, you stop reacting emotionally. And emotional reactions are what algorithm, conflict, and divisions feed on. So next time mga preng, you feel that anger rising, ask yourself, I am reacting to a rider or to a feeling inside me? Think about it.